Let's take a look at pay discrimination and dissimilar jobs. Several key points highlight legal cases and standards related to pay discrimination and comparable worth. In Gunther versus the County of Washington in 1981, the Supreme Court ruled that wage discrimination claims under Title VII can apply even to dissimilar jobs, unlike the Equal Pay Act. The court allowed that comparable worth claims could be considered under Title VII, but did not define clear standards for proving such discrimination. Courts have generally upheld the use of market rates to justify pay differences, even when jobs held predominantly by women pay less than male dominated roles requiring similar skill. In Spaulding versus the University of Washington, the court rejected a statistical model claiming discrimination, emphasizing the complexity and judgment involved in interpreting job value and market data. Courts tend to trust market prices as inherently job related, though critics argue these markets can carry gender based historical bias. A second approach courts have considered is job evaluation systems, which assign point values to roles to establish internal comparability. In ASME versus the state of Washington, the state's own study showed that women were paid about 20% less for jobs of equal value. Still, the court ruled the state had no legal obligation to adjust pay. Despite legal setbacks, public employees and employers have increasingly considered pay equity studies and made adjustments through settlement or collective bargaining. The state of Washington found licensed practical practicing nurses, mostly women, performed work comparable to higher paid campus police officers, mostly men, highlighting disparities. Many state and local governments, where women comprise over half the workforce, have led efforts to implement comparable worth standards. A typical comparable worth plan involves first, a gender neutral point system, second, identifying job groups by gender dominance, third, basing wages on male dominated job rates, and four, applying consistent pay to point ratios. While job evaluation plans offer structure, critics argue that they are not as objective as claimed and may clash with modern organizational flexibility. But the debate continues in policy and legal circles.